Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys the best VPNs for Saudi Arabia. Now I know a lot of websites, and too many websites for that matter, are banned in Saudi Arabia. So I've tested over a couple dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to these three: Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best VPNs to use in this situation. If you're an expat, or if you're just visiting Saudi Arabia, or if you're a Saudi citizen, you may want to use any of these VPNs to get full freedom when using the internet and in order to have internet rights. And of course, you can tell here I'm using the Canadian server with ExpressVPN, and that's why it shows as if I'm in Canada. This way, the government in Saudi Arabia will not be able to know what you're doing online, and so they won't give you any trouble. Also, these VPNs do not log any of your information, and they will not comply with the Saudi government if the government asks for any information in the first place. So when it comes to Express, Nord, and Surfshark, they all vary in budget and features, so pick and choose depending on what you're looking for. These VPNs are very compatible with all kinds of devices. You've got Express with over 3,000 servers in 105 countries, you've got NordVPN with 6,300 servers in 111 countries, and Surfshark with over 3,200 servers in 100 countries. So they're all great VPNs overall, but they do vary in budget and features. So again, depending on your situation and budget, pick one that suits you best. You'll find pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as reviews for each of these VPNs if you want to find out more. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab yourself the best discount possible. Like and subscribe to see more of these videos, and let me know in the comments if there's anything cybersecurity you'd like me to cover. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.